Hey y'all, let's make a quick gluten-free sheet pan meal. We're gonna use some beef smoked sausage, got this from Aldi's, and some broccoli florets, got this from Sam's. I'm going to let this partially thaw out so it's easier for me to cut. I'm gonna go through this broccoli and make sure there's none bad, and I may cut them to smaller pieces. So I'm gonna do this while this is partially thawing out. Okay, I wet a piece of napkin to put under my little cutting board. Okay, now we're ready to chop some broccoli. All right. See, I wouldn't eat a big piece like this, so all right, and then I'm going to go through this whole bag, and I'm also going to, this is also freezer prep, because whatever I'm not cooking today, this is going to go into freezer Ziploc bags and put into the freezer. Dump this on to my half sheet pan. We are multitasking. Put all this onto our, we're gonna put all this on our half sheet pan. Okay, we're gonna save put these in the freezer. I'm going to clean off my cutting board and we're going to start cutting the sausage. Okay, so before I add the sausage, we're going to drizzle this broccoli with some EVOO, sprinkle some salt, sprinkle some coarse black pepper, sprinkle some onion powder, and some smoked paprika. Use my clean hands and massage this into our broccoli. Okay, we're gonna spread that out. Okay, we have our oven preheating at 400. This should be thawed enough. Oh, it's still pretty much frozen, but it's thawed enough to where I can cut into it. Just be very careful. Now, you can leave them at this size, but I'm going to cut them smaller. And we're just going to put them right on top. All the sausage is cut. Simple gluten-free meal. Beef smoked sausage and broccoli. I think it's seasoned to perfection. Okay, so we have smoked beef sausage and some broccoli florets, fresh broccoli florets. The sausage is partially frozen. We season the broccoli with some extra virgin olive oil, so some EVOO, some smoked paprika, some Himalayan salt, some coarse black pepper, and onion powder into a 400-degree oven. I did cook it for 15 minutes. Then I gave it a good stir. And then I rotated the pan and added it back to the oven for another 10 to 15 minutes. I'll roughly cook it between 25 and 30 minutes.